It's something that is eaten in most African continents. You know what I'm saying? So in Kenya, they call this ugali. In Zambia, they call it nshima. And in Uganda, in my local language, we call it akawunga. And yep. When I have put it here, as you see, I'm going to be wrapping it in these green bananas. Yeah. So basically, guys, what I'm going to be preparing, in Kenya they call it ugali, in Zambia they call it nshima, in Uganda we call it akawunga. It's like, it's posho, it is got from milled maize. So this is the flour, and I'm going to be using this flour to make the posho bread. So come along with me, let's cook. All right, what so our water is another thing I need this is a mingling stick. I'm adding the flour in the water. For us, we don't cook it as most Kenyans, or maybe it's kind of related, but not that much. So I'm scooping. Still too soft, so I should probably add more flour. Is it flour? Is it? But I think it's flour. You know. So oh my god, it's now hard, you guys. So I'm going to add some water to make it soft, because I don't want it hard. I don't want it hard. I want it soft. Oh, this is really not that hard, but guys, I'm sweating literally. Oh, I'm sweating. Let me add a little bit more water, because guys, the reason why I'm adding water, I want it soft. I want it soft, not hard. I want it soft, not hard. Oh. Okay. It's getting ready. Ready. is not our staple food, but in most schools, actually in every school, we eat this almost every day. And in most sub-regions of this country, they eat this, and in prisons, you know. And yeah, so pretty well, it's something that is eaten in most African continents. You know what I'm saying? So in Kenya, they call this ugali. In Zambia, they call it nshima. And in Uganda, in my local language, we call it akawunga. And yep, that's it. I don't know other languages, but at least I think that's all I know. Other countries, I don't know how they call it, but in Uganda, akawunga. Oh, so it's done here, guys. Really, it's done. As you can see, you guys, do you see? So here I'm done. So guys, our posho is done. It's here. This is what I've been cooking, and it's mostly cooked in many African countries. But you see, in Uganda, hey you guys, in Uganda, we love this, which we get from banana leaves, and we love these green leaves. So this is how I'm going to be showing you how we cook ugali or posho or nsima in Uganda. Yes, this is Ugandan way. So Africans, gather here. See how we do it, guys. See how we do it. I'm kidding you not. We really love these leaves. So this is basically what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to get my ugali, which is here, and I will put it here like that. So when I have put it here, as you see, I'm going to be wrapping it in these green bananas. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So yeah, right now I'm going to wrap it in this. We really love the green. These green leaves, you guys, my guys. And let me tell you, nothing beats posho that is put in this, you guys. If you're Ugandan, you know what I'm saying. It's always have that scent. It's always delicious. It's everything nice. So here is my other small saucepan, and I'm going to be doing like I always do. I don't know if you guys can see me. Maybe I'm far. Let me be here. And do like this, as you can see. Do more like this. We love cooking like this. We love cooking like this because you guys, there is a flavor that comes from this kind of banana leaves. It can make you say wow. So this is what I've put in this small saucepan of mine. I'm going to add water. Oh, I think I should add more water. So guys, water is added right here and everything is good, as you can see. And I'm going to get this old banana. These are used and cooked. I'm going to put here for base, and I'm going to get this wrapped millet blend and put it here in this small saucepan, as you can see, and wrap it very well. Of course I have to. And get this banana leaf, put it here, and try to cover. I think my water is too much in the meantime, so I have to reduce. Okay. I cover very well, very demure covering. Yay! I get more leaves like these, 2 of them still cover. Yes, that's it. And continue covering as we always do. Ugandans, we love doing this. This is more so in the central and in the southwestern Uganda and in the western Uganda. We love cooking like this. So this is it. And I'm going to do this for the wrap. Yeah, this is it, guys. Welcome to Uganda, East Africa. And this is how we cook. This is how we cook. This is how we cook in my region, because I come from the western side of Uganda. And this is how we mostly cook. Okay, so let's see. Done. So you guys, I'm going to be putting it on the charcoal stove. As it cooks, it's going to produce that beautiful aroma, and it's going to be so delicious, and we are going to enjoy our dinner. So every one of you is invited. Come and enjoy the most delicious traditional way of cooking ugali or posho or kawunga or nsima from Uganda, East Africa. And please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because it means a lot, and we are on the road to 1,000. So yep, yeah, let's go. Okay, this comes in handy. So guys, this is how the saucepan looks like when you remove everything. There are some like kind of, how do I say it, but it sticks in the saucepan, and when it changes the color like this, it produces a very good aroma that you can actually eat it without putting it in the leaves, as you guys have seen me do. So that's what most other African countries do, but for us to enjoy it and it being so delicious for us, we always put it in the banana leaves and recook it. So yay, this is it. Yep. Ta-da-da-da! This is our food. This is it. This is the leaf, the banana leaf. It has turned this way, and we are about to start eating. So, yep.